the newest member of the family, right? How you gonna bite me and then lick me, huh? Why you gonna bite me? How you gonna bite and lick, huh? How old are you? 5 weeks? You gonna bite the ring, okay? And then you gonna bite me? Ow! Ow! Now you gonna lick me? How you gonna bite and lick at the same time? Are you teasing? Ow! Ow! Is that a love bite? This is true. Ow! Don't bite me, True. Our new addition to the family. King David is absolutely upset. Come on now, don't bite me. You're gonna bite me? How do you bite and lick? Ow! You gonna bite the ring? Is it too shiny? Is that what it is? Ow! Is that a love bite? Ow! Oh, you didn't mean it. You didn't mean it. Well, you just want that ring, don't you? Is that what you want? Huh? Were you licking yourself then? Oh, what is it? Don't bite me no more. You need to stop biting. Ow! Ow! Oh, you like the ring? You like the ring. Don't hurt my ring. Don't hurt the ring. Well, you're not really putting your paws in me. You're not scratching me. You haven't hurt me. I'm not feeling it nowhere, but you like to play. Is that how you play? Oh my God, I got a biter and a licker. This is Sheba's baby. Yeah, we feel sorry for Sheba because we couldn't keep her. She couldn't use the litter box and we had a problem. Yeah, somebody put her outside too long. This is our babies that my dog has been raising for the last 5 weeks. Now this one right here, she's not breaking my skin, but she has 6 other siblings. And so she gonna bite me. Ow! 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 I have to teach it. But you want to play? You want to play? Oh, you trust me? Oh, you trust. Oh, you don't want me to play like that? Okay. Oh, you like that? Look. Don't hurt. You're not using your nails because I know those nails are sharp. Okay. His name is True. We are calling him True. That's what his name is. And he has just been sweet as he can be. I can't stand, when a baby cries. And he's, I think 5 weeks. Ow! 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 Did your mama take you? See, you got your mama. That's your mama in you. Yeah, it is. Ow! See, you almost fell off the bed.